In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make neumorphic UI buttons in Figma. Neumorphism is all about soft, tactile surfaces that look gently raised or pressed into the background. We'll build a clean button, give it that soft, shadowed look, and wire it up so you can preview an interactive state. Start by opening Figma. Create a new file or use an existing one. First, make a frame to serve as your canvas. You can use the Frame tool and choose a desktop preset or draw a custom size. Set the frame's fill to a light neutral color. Somewhere in the off-white to light gray range works best, because neumorphic effects rely on subtle contrast. Add your button text on the canvas using the Text tool. Type something simple like button. We'll refine the size and style shortly, but keep it legible and centered where the button will live. If you're not already there, click the Design tab in the right-hand panel. Now, add the shadows and tweak the typography. Increase the font size so the label feels clear and balanced with your intended button size. Then, in Effects, add shadows to create that soft elevation. A common approach is a darker drop shadow with a small positive offset to one direction, paired with a lighter effect in the opposite direction, which can be achieved with an inner shadow or a second shadow that acts like a highlight. Keep opacity low and blur fairly soft. The goal is gentle depth, not harsh contrast. Duplicate the frame to create a second version for the pressed state. On this new one, adjust the shadows so it looks like the button is pressed into the surface. That usually means bringing the darker shadow closer and shifting the highlight, or converting one effect to an inner shadow for that inset feel. Tweak the blur radius so edges stay soft and cohesive with your base. Select both button versions and turn them into a component set. Rename the variants to something clear like default and pressed, so they're easy to use later. Switch to prototype and add your interaction. Connect default to pressed with an on-click or while pressing trigger, and set the animation to Smart Animate for a smooth transition. Then, create a new frame to act as your test artboard. Open the Assets panel, find your button component set, and drag an instance onto the new frame. Finally, hit Present to preview. Click or press the button and watch the neumorphic transition in action. You now have a clean, interactive neumorphic button ready to reuse across your designs.